People of Nigeria, I greet all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Look, a very quick one this morning. I just want to weigh my whole into the conflict that is happening in Nigeria right now. It's a SARS SWAT. For me, SARS or SWAT is not the problem of Nigeria. It's not the problem of Nigeria, just that we just have to come together and do the right thing. Instead of us saying, hand SARS, hand SWAT, stop this, stop that. Police can never be Nigeria problem. We all know what Nigeria problem is. Are the leaders. Thing they pay me say the police are used. If they reform police, they reform a security sector for Nigeria, and the police they receive better salary. Let's for example, police they receive 300,000, police they receive 500,000, 400,000. It go get very difficult for all these police to say maybe they want to enlist their hunger on the citizen. Then they see they find how they want to survive for the corrupt country where we they live, the corrupt system where we all they operate for Nigeria. So SARS, SWAT, police, soldiers are not the problem of Nigeria. The leaders. Now it is high time we stop saying end SARS or stop this or stop that. Let's just say no to bad leaders. No to bad leaders. A country where a honorary minister or senator will be receiving millions. So how would you want the police that is guiding them, that is guiding the citizen, that is guiding the whole country will be receiving change? So that is why you see some police today, some greedy ones, they want to jump into those guys they call Yahoo boys. They want to take from them because they want to survive. The system we are operating in Nigeria is not working. Instead of us saying end SARS, let's say no to bad leaders. These are the one that is killing Nigeria, not the police. The police want to succeed. They want to succeed. The thing they pay me say, they can't allow themselves, can't let the politicians, they use them. This one are the same people who are the guide, whether they collect big salary, but they not feel right law to change the law so that una go they receive money, then una consider enlist una hunger on the poor innocent citizen, where they see they suffer. So now that one and the police still wrong. Instead of us to say, end SARS, end this one. Let's say end to bad leaders in Nigeria. Say no to Buhari. Say no to all those bad government for the 36 states of Nigeria. Say no to bad commissioner. Say no to bad councillor. Say no to bad, I don't know. So this is not the time for us to be beating around the bush. You see protesters everywhere. Now they are be saying, Nigeria youth, we are lazy. Now we stood up, then we stand up, we tell them that, look, we are not lazy. It's like now we want to tell them that now they have touched the tail of the lion. So they mess with the wrong generation. Now it is time for all of us, all of us that are in the diaspora, we have the Nigeria community in France will be protesting very soon, maybe today or tomorrow. So what are we waiting for in Italy? What are we waiting for? The Nigerian youth way in Italy, now the same the youth way in Nigeria, now the way the stupid ones way the stupid youth way in Nigeria, now so way in Italy, now so all of us still be. Even if say maybe coronavirus can't change the whole system today, say we not go fit come and say we want protest. Instead of you to come out for your Facebook to see the protest just as every other people they do, then you not go protest. Now you go find your picture where you take dress one kind Chanel product where you wear. You post them, you show yourself to your friends and your loved ones. You say maybe all those one are live. All those one not be live. Then you go see where they protest. You don't go post them for your Facebook. Then you go see your friend want to birthday. You say happy birthday, mate. This one. You go they write these stupid things. How you want to create awareness? How you want to make the community where you they live say no, say your country people that they suffer? Why you continue to deceive those where they have? Then now some of us where did this Europe, you now even they make things the worse for those who see in Nigeria. Now when they say end SARS, end SWAT, end this one, they are not the problem. Police is not the problem of Nigeria. Police can never be the problems of Nigeria. So let us stop beating around the bush. Not be now we need to come begin to say na police, they come road, they can't begin to kill people. If police they get better salary, like now end say no to bad leaders. Buhari must go. All those bad governors, they must go. Bad commissioner, bad senator, all of them must go. And let's see that if we will not succeed. Once we succeed, so the first to say, and to SARS, say no to police, this say no to this. Police go just jump to just they brutalize people, or they want to collect money for people, they want to keep people they go. Now when the youth don't even wake up now, they say okay, they want to do waiting. That's why they happen for for the world. That's why they happen. Everybody must protest. If you see say system where you they live, say no they work, then what do you need to do? You don't need to protest. You go protest, you go see the police, then go use them. The police even they wait, make the youth wake up since then so that they go join. Some of the police will get sense, will know what they do for them. They even they wait, make the youth wake up like this since they go join. Then the protest go they enlarge, go they do. Now, see, maybe this protest is not go even end 1 month. The one where they do for America, where they kill that black guy, that one are just small. The way when they look this Nigeria protest. You not go ahead. Say no to this, say no to this. Now you see all of it. So the celebrity, all of them jump come out. If this SARS, now you know affect them because all those people with the SARS then they attack. All those people with the SARS then they attack. Now those one will be say maybe they get money for their hazard. All these stars then they carry them. All these stars for they perform. Now all these people where they harass, so now then they promote them. That's why you see say all those stars, all these opportunity we will get. So let's just weigh our anger on these leaders. This move where all the celebrities don't carry come on. Let's catch them. No. Force them, they join us to protest. Since where our group they begin to call for revolution, where they keep our president thing today is the Nigeria show whatever. So they call for revolution, revolution protest. All of them not come out. Now we be say maybe SARS can't affect their